Dear learners, the given question is a toy in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone of the same base radius as that of hemisphere. If the radius of the base of the cone is 21 cm and its volume is 2 by 3rd of the volume of hemisphere, calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy. In the question we are given a toy which is of the shape cone which is placed over a hemisphere. Let's look at the diagram. So we are seeing a diagram of the toy as seen from the front. You can see a hemisphere at the bottom and a cone which is right circular cone placed over the hemisphere. It is to be noted that both radius of the cone and the hemisphere are the same. We are asked to determine the height of the cone and we are given the radius of both cone and the hemisphere. Now let's look at the concepts that we are going to use to solve this problem. First, the volume of the cone with base radius r and height h is given by pi r square h by 3. Now the volume of hemisphere. The volume of hemisphere is equals to pi r cube by 2. Now the surface area of cone. So the surface area of cone equals the surface area of cone is pi r L. Now what is this L? So L is the slant height of the cone. The slant height is as shown in the diagram. So this slant length is the slant height of the cone, whereas h is the vertical height of the cone. Now the surface area of the hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere is equals to 2 pi r square. Now let's determine the value of L, which is the slant height of the cone. L is given by under root h square plus r square. It is because L is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle 90 degree at the point B. So h being the height of the triangle and r being the base of the triangle, L is equals to under root h square plus r square by Pythagorean theorem. Now let's understand how we calculate surface area of cone and the hemisphere. Considering the hemisphere, in this problem we only consider the surface area which is shaded here, excluding the circular surface area. And for the cone we only consider the slant surface area, excluding the circular surface area. In both the shapes, the area considered are shaded in the orange color. With these concepts, let's move on to the solution. In the question we saw that volume of cone VC is equals to 2/3 of volume of hemisphere. So from the formulae we can substitute VC equals pi r square h divided by 3, which equals 2/3 times of the volume of hemisphere, which is pi r cube by 2. Now eliminating the common factors, we are left with h in the left hand side and r in the right hand side. So which implies h equals r, that is height of cone is equals to the radius, base radius of the cone itself, which is equals to 21 centimeter as given in the question. So we have found the height of the cone. Therefore, height of the cone h equals (21 centimeters). Now let's move on to find the surface area of the toy. So surface area of the toy equals to the surface area of cone plus the surface area of hemisphere, which we'll indicate by SC and SHS respectively. Now from the formulae, surface area of toy is equals to pi RL, which is surface area of cone, plus 2 pi r square, which is surface area of the hemisphere. Note that this surface area does not include the circular area, which is the base of the cone on top of the hemisphere. Now we'll calculate the value of L from the formula h under root h r square plus r square, where h is 21 and r is also 21, which becomes under root 21 square plus 21 square, which equals under root 441 plus 441. Which implies L is approximately equal to 29.7 centimeters. Now let's use this value of L in our ST formula. Therefore, surface area of toy ST is equals pi value is 22/7 into R 21 into 29.7. plus 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into 21 square. So which simplifies to 1960 plus 2772. So the total surface area is 4732 centimeters square. Therefore the surface area of the toy equals to 4732 centimeters square. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.